and I'm going to show you how to light up your birthday parties at home. Today I'm going to be using 3 foil happy birthday balloons, a big party pack with 15 balloons, and for this you'll need a pumper, hanging tape, straws, and some string, and maybe some scissors. So first I'm going to put these to one side with my straws, because I'm going to do those later. So I'm going to open the packet and I'm going to start blowing up on my balloons. So now I've finished blowing up all my balloons, I'm going to put it onto the garland and choose about like this much. So let's get started. So you miss about 3, and then you just put it through the hole, and it's just before the knot. And then you just carry on doing that all the way through. So now I've finished, I'm just going to put a little bit of ribbon, and now I'm going to tie it on. So now I've tied my string to it, I'm going to tie it onto the wall. So I'm really excited to do the foil balloons. So what I need to do is I need straws, and you can use string to hang it up somewhere. So instead of using helium, if you have none, you can use straws to make it. So I'm going to open my packet, and I'm going to blow up it. It'll come with instructions, and it'll come with a really cute balloon like this, and some string if you want to hang it. But you can use your string at home. So what you need to do is you need to get a straw. And if you look at the bottom, there's a little tab, and you just fold that back like so, and then there should be a little flap. You just need to wedge the straw gently down it, so twist like so. And then, now I can feel it in the balloon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold tight and blow. So now I've blown my balloon up, I can pull the little tab out, remembering not to press the button because I can press that later to switch the lights on. So you gently pull it out. I can't wait to see it when the lights switch out. Thanks for watching, bye!